Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by fixing the function and target value, then place it on the cast diagram so you know which quadrants give valid solutions. Once you have sin, cos, or tan isolated, use inverse trig to get the reference angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Make sure to convert radians if the question uses them. Immediately mark the quadrants from cast that make the function positive. That tells you whether to add or subtract the reference angle when forming solutions. Once done with the reference angle, generate specific angles by placing θref into the permitted quadrants indicated by cast. For example, if sin is positive, use first and second quadrants. Theta equals θref and theta equals 180 degrees minus θref. For cosine positive, use theta equals θref and theta equals 360 degrees minus θref. For tangent, use quadrant 3 and 1 patterns with θref added or subtracted. Finally, convert these into general forms using plus 360 degrees n or plus 2 π for complete solution sets. To finish, filter your angle list to the question's domain, often 0 degrees, 360 degrees, or 0 to 2 π, and convert units to match the exam. Then substitute each candidate back into the original equation to confirm it satisfies the value and sign. This catches common sign mistakes from misreading cast. If answers repeat, collapse them using the functions period like 360 degrees or 2 π. Troubleshooting tip: if solutions seem wrong, re-evaluate the reference angle and check you use the correct positive quadrants from cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.